Hi, my name is Zanele. I'm in love with the Zulu culture, and this is Appreciate Zulu. Sometimes the heart understands what the ears cannot. What you are hearing right now is the breathtaking beauty of the isiZulu language, delivered with such raw passion and grace. In our culture, Inkulumo enothando, a passionate or loving speech, is an art form in itself. You don't need a translation to feel the weight of her words or the pride in her soul. Did you know that isiZulu is a tonal language? This means that the emotion behind a word can actually change its melody, making a speech feel like a powerful spoken song. In Zulu tradition, the ability of a young woman to speak with such confidence and isidima, or dignity, is highly respected, as women are seen as the keepers of our history and the teachers of the next generation. As she speaks, her gestures and expressions connect her to a long lineage of powerful Zulu queens and storytellers who use their voices to unite the nation. I'm going to let the beauty of her voice speak for itself now, but if you felt the power in her message today, please give this video a like and remember to subscribe to the channel for more videos on the Zulu culture.
Ndiyathembisa ukunyaniseka nokuthembeka ngobuntombi bami kodwa ke ndiyathembeka kumkuqala ukuba ndithembekanga kum ndiyathembeka kubani